I'm going to show you how to set up Google Ads conversion tracking on your Shopify store. Now, in this video, I'm only going to show you how to do it only through Google Ads. So without using Google Analytics 4 and Google Tag Manager. I'm going to make another video on how to use GA4 and Google Tag Manager to set up conversions, which ultimately is the better way to do it. So if you want to know how to do that, go and watch that video. And this is just going to be the very simple Google Ads straight to Shopify. Right, so the first thing you need to do is log into your Google Ads account, and you'll need to log into your Shopify store as well. Once you're in the Google Ads account, what you need to do is go to Goals, Conversions, and hit Summary. And now we want to hit New Conversion Action. So you want to press that, select Website, and now you want to type in the URL of your website and just hit Scan. Now it's going to scan it and it will tell you that there isn't one. So now what's going to happen here is it's going to try and get you to set up one of these. But the problem with this, it's only going to load the page load. You don't want that because the URLs are not necessarily the same. So what you want to do is hit Add Conversion Action manually, because we want the code that we're going to place in the confirmation page so that it tracks it every time that page loads, because sometimes that can be different. So what you want to do is go here and select Purchase, hit this drop down. That's fine. Now make sure that this is selected on primary if it's actually going to optimize the account for conversions. If it's secondary, then it's only going to track them, but it's not actually going to optimize it. So just be aware of that. Enter the conversion name. So here I'm going to just call it Purchase. And now you most likely want to use different values for each conversion. Unless your Shopify store only has like one product or everything is the same price, then you can use same value. I'm going to use different values. And now you want to count every purchase, and then you can change any of these if you want to. I'm just going to leave all of these as is for now, and I'm going to hit Done. And now I would make sure that this is turned on, and then we'll go agree and continue. So now we need to set up the tag for this. So what you want to do is hit Set Up, and you're going to be given this code. So what we want to do is take this code and paste it on every page on the website. So what that means is you need to go into the Shopify store, go into Online Store, hit Themes, and in the theme we need to now edit the code of the theme. So what you want to do is go to Customize and then hit these three dots beside Customize and hit Edit Code. And in Edit Code, you want to select theme.liquid, which is the file we want to edit. And you're looking for this snippet of code here, which says the beginning of the head section. And you want to just enter a couple of spaces and paste the Google tag in here, and then hit Save. So now that we've done that, you can hit Test Installation. Mine's going to fail because my shop is not live. So we can just close that. I'm going to close that window. Your one should test if the shop is live. Now, for the purchase, what we need to do is hit See Event Snippet. Now we need to take this and we need to copy this code and we need to paste this code on the actual confirmation page. So how you do that is you go back to Shopify, make sure you've saved the theme that we edited, and go to Settings, and then go to Checkout. And now under Checkout, if we scroll down, you're going to see this Order Status page. And here is where you can add conversion tracking pixels. So basically you want to paste that in here and hit Save. And now we can go back to Google Ads, close this and hit Done. And so that's it. Now the whole thing is done. So what's going to happen now is it's going to say inactive. It'll only show active once someone's actually gone through and purchased it. And that means they will have to have clicked your ad and then purchased. Because if you try and test this like this, just yourself going on the website, you didn't come through one of the ads, so it's not actually going to register. So if you have that issue, that's why. It's going to require someone to actually do the purchase, and then it's going to hit status active, and then it's actually going to display. What you can also do is run through the troubleshoot and actually try and test it. So what you can do is hit continue and run through this process if you want to test it. Now mine's not going to work because my shop is not actually live yet, but you could just go through that process, enter the URL, do a test and see if it works. So that's it. That's all you need to do. And now conversions will show up in your Google Ads account. And then you can set your campaigns to optimize for conversions. Now, if you want to set this up properly using GA4 and GTM, go and check out my other video. I'm going to put a link above where it will show you how to do that. If you want me to coach you on how to run a successful Google Ads or SEO for your e-com store for only $49 a month, go to learndominatemarketing.com. And if you'd like us to run your Google Ads or even do your SEO for you with guaranteed results, go to dominatemarketing.io and book a call with us there. Catch you on the next one.